Welcome to G&T's kitchen. I'm going to show you how I made this pepper mix or pepper tomato base for stews and soup and for one pot meal, e.g. jollof rice. And I'm going to use red bell peppers, about 4 chili peppers, tomatoes, habanero pepper, not much, don't want it spicy, 1 medium onion. And you might be wondering why I'm not using ginger or garlic. There are some meals you don't want to add ginger and garlic to, and there are some people who don't like it too much too, so you have to consider them. But with this method, you can make it versatile and just add the ginger and garlic as you go. Let me state that all the peppers and the tomatoes have been washed, so I will begin by cutting it to remove the seeds. I'm going to remove the seeds for every of the pepper I'm going to use. That's about 3 kinds of pepper: red bell pepper, the chili pepper, and the habanero. I am going to cut all the peppers into smaller pieces. Cutting the tomatoes last. Even if my hand is on heat from the peppers, the juice from the tomato neutralizes it. Last thing to cut is the onion. In the onion to the pot, put a lid on it and put it on the stove to dry up or cook. If you like, you could put it in the oven using an oven tray or baking. About 6 minutes later, the water is coming out from the tomatoes and it will help to cook it. I'll just pat it and cover it. It's on low heat, by the way. Some minutes later, checking it again, it's getting drier. Cooking continue because I want it charred. Later, we are getting there. It has started sticking to the bottom of the pan. I've got a little charring going on, just like I want it to be. It is black. Later, it is dried and charred at the bottom. The pan is back on the stove. I'll add water to it so it gets loosened. Cover and let it boil. A minute or 2 later, it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan again. I will just allow it to boil. It is boiling. See it? We have the chart. The color has even changed. I'm going to switch off the heat and strain it. I'll pour in the strained ones and I'm ready to blend. I've got here the pepper mix and then the liquid I got from it. Nothing is wasted, no nutrients goes, and it adds color to it. So I'll start by pouring the liquid in a blender, not too much. I can always add more later. And then I'll pour in the pepper tomato mix to blend. I want a thick consistency. I'll just add a little bit liquid for it to blend properly, just a tiny bit, and that is it. It is done. Look at the color,